dapat merong clearance ito?
Yes, ma'am. Dapat may clearance sa DSWD, which is the minor traveling abroad,
Yes.
a consent from the mother.
Yes.
So, if hindi ma-issue ng consent si mother, which is a prerequisite in the application form of the FTA, so, mabigyan ng clearance ng minor to go abroad.
Yes. Ma'am Nika, sandali i-explain ko lang ulit kay Jonathan. Jonathan, you would not have been able to clear immigration without a DSWD clearance. A DSWD clearance does not actually discriminate just for foreigners. It's been quite this is a strong this policy that if only one parent is with the child who is traveling, there has to be a DSWD clearance, especially in this case where you are not living, the parents are not living. The DSWD clearance is to make sure that one, the mother knows, and that there is sufficient discernment on the consequences and implications. Because the natural and default parental authority in cases where the parents are not married for 7 years below is with the mother. Okay? Now, it's a different story altogether. If Renalyn would have agreed, would have signed on the papers, the waiver, the approval, the authority, so that you will get the visa. Can we, Renalyn?
Yes, ma'am.
Renalyn, ikaw ba, do you still want to be in a relationship with Jonathan? What is the status for your assessment? What is your relationship with Jonathan? Are you still willing to be in a relationship with him? Ito. So,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes.
But, hindi ba ng but? Oh, Jonathan is smiling. Jonathan, do you love Renalyn?
Of course I do.
Renalyn, do you love Jonathan? Ganyan. Wait, magsalita. Wait, because, I think, Jonathan, we cannot fault Renalyn for having all these fears. You taking the child to the United States, what if she never sees you again? You understand what I mean?
Yes.
We hear so many, we watch too much Netflix. Okay? We're watching too much Netflix. And, there is a mother's bond. Okay? I'm sure you know that because you